Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best Valorant settings for more FPS. Let's get started. First, open Valorant. Click the settings icon. Then open settings. Go to the video tab. Stay in the general section. Set display mode to full screen. Now open the graphics quality section. Turn multi-threaded rendering on. If your CPU supports it. Set material quality to low. Set texture quality to low. Set detail quality to low. Set UI quality to low. Turn vignette off. Turn VSync off. Set anti-aliasing to none. Set anisotropic filtering to 1x. Turn improve clarity off. Turn experimental sharpening off. Turn bloom off. Turn distortion off. Turn cast shadows off. Apply the changes. Then restart Valorant. These settings should give you the best FPS, especially on low-end PCs. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.